Airbus has selected DHL as lead transportation provider to provide global transport management, end-to-end visibility and significant cost savings. To provide the requested services and benefits, it is important that DHL receive shipment and purchase order line information for Incoterms free carrier, Ex-Works and free onboard contracts. Airbus creates purchase orders with vendors all over the world. These purchase orders are sent via EDI to the DHL control tower for reference and coordination purposes. No product costings are received. When vendors receive Airbus purchase orders, they receive the required delivery date and plan production accordingly. To make sure DHL is able to provide proactive management, optimization and visibility in the transport chain, vendors should create transportation requests via the DHL Control Tower web portal. The transportation request contains all information to provide visibility on line item level towards Airbus and its vendors. The moment vendors submit the transportation request, all information is visible at the DHL Control Tower Global Track and Trace portal to both Airbus and the vendor. When receiving the purchase order line information from vendors, this information is compared to the purchase order line information received from Airbus. The DHL Control Tower will compare the vendor's transportation request against the original purchase order and inform the parties about any discrepancies and lead time issues. After the transportation request is approved, the DHL Control Tower will optimize the routing using optimization, consolidation and delivery planning logic to execute shipments against target lead times, required delivery dates and lowest costs possible. Based on the requested pickup date, the control tower will instruct partnered carriers to position a transport vehicle at the requested date, time and place. In the meanwhile, the vendor prepares the shipment for transportation and makes it available for loading. After the transport vehicle has left the pickup facility, the actual pickup dates and times are provided to the DHL control tower. In case of non-conformities, the DHL control tower will proactively alert Airbus and provide a solution to stick to the initial delivery date at the final destination. All received track and trace information will be immediately available to Airbus and business partners. Incoming shipments from various vendors will be grouped and transported by either airplane, ship or truck to final destination or cross-dock. After departure, actual departure dates and times are recorded by the DHL control tower for monitoring purposes and to facilitate customs clearance and last mile transportation. Upon arrival, international shipments are customs cleared and shipped to a hub for last mile delivery to Airbus facilities in various countries. With regards to the last mile, partnered carriers submit actual departure and delivery dates and times to the DHL control tower. DHL, lead transportation provider for all global transport management, end-to-end visibility and significant cost savings.